Hey guys, today, yes, I'm a Therian with my gloves. Yeah, and my name on TikTok is Therian Wolf, and then I don't know anymore. That's my friend. She has a mask, and she has a mask too. Yeah, and there we have so good. Yeah, it's so messy. I love messy. And that's my mask. I'm putting it on right now. Can you hold this for me?
Okay, give it to me.
Yes, I'm giving it.
Why we do a voice review?
What?
Why we did a voice review?
Why we did a voice review?
Yeah, why did we do that?
It doesn't matter. Just give it.
Okay.
Okay.
I wanna go up there with the video.
Okay. We have another yeah. Yeah, we have other ground. Like what?
There's 3 dents.
Oh yeah, we have 3 dents.
No, I wanna go up here.
Oh, there! I thought you mean there.
Okay, no, go to 10 ways.
Okay, wait. Look.
Here, fell, guys.
Here is the mousy one. This is my favorite. Ooh.
This is my favorite where I can put on because this one is a jet.
Yeah.